Customs stopped your export, it might be dual use. You're exporting from Poland. Contract signed, invoice issued, truck loaded. And then Customs stops the shipment. Why? Because your product might be a dual use. I'm Wiktor Galusiński, associate at Dudkowiak & Putyra. We help international companies deal with Polish and EU rules, especially when customs and dual use gets involved. When do you need permission to export? If you export dual-use goods outside the EU, you might need official export permission from Poland's Ministry of Development and Technology. And sometimes, even items that don't look listed can still require permission if there are concerns about the customer or the intended use. Are there any differences between permissions? Well, there isn't just one export license. For example, an individual license is for a specific shipment or contract. A global license is for repeated exports of the same type of controlled items over a period of time. And general licenses are preset authorizations you can use only for certain goods and destinations. They exist at EU level and also under exceptional national rules, but you must meet the conditions to rely on them. In the European Union, examples include EU 001 for certain low-risk destinations, EU 003 for return after repair, and EU 004 for temporary export to the trade fairs. If you qualify for a general license, it's often the easiest route. You just reference it in your export filing and you're good to ship. Just remember, general licenses still come with ongoing duties, like a yearly report to the authorities. So what is the dual use really? Dual use simply means a product made for civilian businesses that could also be used for military or other sensitive purposes. And most importantly, it is on the controlled lists. Don't wait until Customs becomes your compliance department. Before you ship, talk to us. We'll guide you through the classification rules and help you choose the right licensing path. It saves time, money, and a lot of stress. Subscribe to our channel and sign up for the newsletter for real-world legal insights.